Okay guys, let's make mandazi, but in my way. Like this is actually my recipe. I love being creative, so I decided to try something different, which is probably not like how everybody else makes it. Anyways, that's all-purpose flour. I added a little bit of cake mix, yeast, baking powder, sugar, a pinch of salt, and yeah, I started combining it together, mixing it well until I feel like it was well combined. I used milk instead of water, which is pretty much not normal when making mandazi, but anyways, it was perfect. I added also chai for the taste, and as you can see, it changed the color of the milk. But yeah, I did the oil regularly, like how everybody else does it, and I mixed it well. And then I added my milk, mix it until it came like that. I don't know how to call it, but whatever. I covered and let it simmer for 2 hours, and then I started making my shapes, which were not perfect, but guess what? These mandazi were absolutely delicious. You should try it. Like, it was